On paper, Kurt Jackson collects old typewriters, but the keys to his story goes much deeper. It's also attracted the attention of an A-list actor.
Going My Way, hosted by Alan Williams, sponsored by Ted Russell Ford Lincoln.
If you listen closely, you can hear the pecking sounds of decades upon decades of everything from love letters to documents pouring out of these somewhat ancient machines. Before computers, typewriters led the way. Nashville's Kurt Jackson saw one in a secondhand store. Now he's got his own company, buying, selling, even bartering with a collection of more than 500 from all shapes and sizes from around the world.
This is an Oliver Standard Visible Writer, number 3, and its claim to fame as being the first visible typewriter. And it's a very strange one. It's also known as a batwing. When you hit a key, the actual slug comes down from the side on the top. That's a Mignon. These are actually really cool. It's known as an index writer. What you would do is that this little plate right here and this pointer, you would basically put it wherever you want to type, and then you would hit a letter, and it rotates this little thing when you move it.
But his most prized typewriter is this.
It was actually used in decoding encrypted codes. This is actually a sheet of code from the war effort, and it's in the process of being decrypted. So up here is the actual code. Here's where they start to decrypt it, and they start and more. And a lot of it's gibberish, but you can tell that they're going through the decrypting stage.
Some well-known celebrities caught the typewriter bug too, including Tom Hanks. Kurt typed him a letter, including his phone number. Tom answered.
So I look at the phone, and it's first line, "Hey Kurt, Tom Hanks here," and I'm just ah! So I put down my food and can get myself under control and go out on the back porch and call the number back, and it's no big deal, just Tom Hanks. He's just "Hey, Tom Hanks," and he's Tom Hanks voice, and I'm just talking like a normal guy, So
next time he was in Nashville, then he showed up.
He did. We hit it off pretty well. He is as genuine as I'd hoped, and he's just really into typewriters. We share that thing, so it's the whole interaction wasn't really weird. We just went into that whole typewriter nerd thing, and we stayed in contact.
And he came away with 2 typewriters, but also giving Kurt more memories that he could ever imagine. Kurt's collection isn't finished. He's got a whole room full he's still going through. Most will sell from $300 to $1,500 apiece. They are shelves full of memories. For others, it's an era of better times and a chance to relive them a few pecks at a time.
Anybody got any whiteout over there?
Going My Way, I'm Alan Williams.
'Tis the season to be buying at Ted Russell Ford. And the Pre-Owned Patrol has been helping the big guy make his list and check it twice. And guess what's on it? Deals on deals on deals. And they're nice, definitely not naughty. Like this 2016 Ford Expedition for only $18,500. Or this 2019 Ford Expedition for only $44,990. Let the Pre-Owned Patrol fill your stockings with quality pre-owned vehicles this holiday season. Come see us today with 2 great Ted Russell Ford locations to serve you on Parkside Drive and Kingston Pike.